very important.
Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma on Thursday attended the stakeholders and consultative meeting with Rangbachnongs of Greater Shillong Planning Area on waste management and urban rejuvenation. The meeting also discussed the way forward with the active involvement of the community. The Chief Minister later interacted with attendees on beautification, decongestion and waste management, hawkers and hawking zone, etc.
Number one, it was a discussion like we're doing right now in a closed room. So this discussion should have never gone out. So I'm very upset at that, the fact that this was an internal talk that went out. Now, let me give you the background. This is out, and let me tell you the background of the talk. So we were discussing about how to create a green space and a walking space and a trekking space, means for bicycles, all from the PD point of view, from Police Bazaar all the way up to the DC junction, the Shillong Club junction.